Hello YouTube, Jerry Kirkpatrick here, and here it is once again, time to announce the dates for the 2026 Northern California Metal Bashing Meet. And those dates are June 13th and 14th. There will be 3 demonstrators, excellent demonstrators, each day. As usual, Ron Covell has made a short but quite informative video announcing the event. In it, you will see a little bit about each one of the demonstrators. Some of them are returning, and they're returning because their demonstrations are unbelievable. They're just excellent. He also touches on many of the aspects about the event, motels. I've got special rates in a couple of motels here. So let's watch Ron's short video, and then we'll come back on the other side and I'll explain a little bit more about the event.
Jerry Kirkpatrick will host the 2026 Metal Bashing Meet in Willits, California, 150 miles north of San Francisco. The event takes place the weekend of June 13th and 14th and runs from 8 to 5 each day. The registration fee is $200, which includes attendance both days, morning snacks with coffee and soft drinks, plus a catered lunch on both Saturday and Sunday. Each morning there'll be 3 one-hour demos by accomplished metalworkers, followed by lunch. After lunch, participants are welcome to work on their own projects. Assistance will be available from the demonstrators as well as other knowledgeable attendees. You're also welcome to circulate, watch others work, and learn by asking questions. On Saturday evening, there'll be a no-host dinner at a local restaurant. After dinner, attendees are invited back to Jerry's shop, where he'll entertain the group with stories from his lifetime involvement in racing and metalworking. There'll be plenty of time for questions and discussion. Here's a list of the demonstrators. Kent Caveney. Trained as an engineer, Kent brings a deep understanding of material science to his metalworking. Jerry has posted a video of Kent's welding demonstration from the 2019 meet. This year, Kent will demonstrate techniques for forming and correcting compound curves using a variety of techniques. Mick Clark. Mick was trained in England, and he spent a lifetime building bodies for cars like Cobras, Jaguars, Ferraris, and many other rare classics. Jerry has posted several of Mick's demonstrations from past meets. Mick will demonstrate making and mounting the fender vents for a Cobra, a challenging job indeed. Ron Covell. I've had a long career building show cars and motorcycles, and I've taught thousands of people through my classes, videos, and technical articles. My demonstration will focus on fabricating a hood for a street rod, which is difficult due to the taper and the constantly changing radius of the curves. Videos are available of my demonstrations at previous meets. Aaron Green. Aaron is a master builder of custom motorcycles and an engaging, highly motivating teacher. Jerry has posted a couple of videos of Aaron's past demonstrations. This year, Aaron's demonstrations will include tuck shrinking 14-gauge stainless steel, a technique he uses on some of his motorcycle projects. Aaron will give 2 presentations, one on Saturday and one on Sunday. Curtis Patience. Curtis is a meticulous metalsmith with extensive experience restoring high-value cars. He is also highly skilled in shaping copper vessels for distilleries and brings a strong artistic sensibility to his work. Curtis uses the traditional Italian hammer and anvil method of shaping metal, and this year he will demonstrate forming a reverse curve. Jerry has posted a video of Curtis's demo from last year. To register or ask questions about the event, contact Jerry by email, jerry@sabre.net. This event will most likely sell out, so don't delay if you're serious about attending. Jerry has booked special rates at a nearby hotel, and there's a KOA nearby. There's room for a few tents and self-contained campers on Jerry's property. Contact him by email to check on availability. There are links in the description for videos to past metal bashing meets. They'll give you a good idea of what to expect. We hope you can join us for the 2026 Metal Bashing Meet. It's a great way to sharpen your metalworking skills, view a wide range of techniques, and spend time with people who like to share their hard-won expertise.
Thank you, Ron. That was a quite informative little video there. A lot of good information about the event. If you would like to get more information on the event, you can email me at jerry@sabre.net. You can also request how to sign up for it. I'll send you a sheet that explains exactly how to sign up. Most of it's done on PayPal. If you need to write a check, you can do that and send it here to Valley Forge and Welding. Because of the size of my shop here, we're limiting the number of participants to only 35. And last year, those 35 places went pretty quick. Once I receive payment for the event, I will send you a packet of a lot of information having to do with where to eat, the motels that will give you a special rate, what all is going to happen. It's a breakdown of each of the demonstrators, what times they will be demonstrating and what they'll be doing. The packet has a lot of good information that will help you after you arrive here in Willits. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe because there will be updates coming out about the event. We're hoping to have a raffle this year. So if you subscribe, you'll see what some of the prizes are and any other updates that may be coming along. Thank you, and I hope to see you in June.